Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to turn message notifications on or off in WhatsApp on your PC. So, let's get started. Step 1. On your computer, open WhatsApp. Step 2. Click on the menu icon, which can be found as either 3 dots or a drop-down icon above your chats list. Step 3. Now, click on Settings from the menu. Step 4. Next, click on Notifications. Step 5. Here, you can manage your notification settings by performing one of the following actions. Option A. If you want to receive notifications for new messages, simply check the box for message notifications. Option B. If you prefer not to receive any notifications for new messages, leave the box unchecked. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to turn message notifications on or off in WhatsApp on your PC. Now you can customize your notification preferences according to your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.